What are the foods high in uric acid? The increasing level of uric acid, gout, can develop joint inflammation and severe joint pain. That can lead to gout attacks, which are critical health issues and can cause dangerous joint damage in your body. As we always say, whatever a person eats regularly affects his overall health and wellness. The increasing level of uric acid is also an influence related to your food and beverages. Foods high in uric acid. Luckily, gout is treatable, and if you change your poor lifestyle and eating schedule, you will see positive changes in your body. This video would tell the foods high in uric acid, so let's have a closer look at the uric acid food list to avoid. 1. Red meat. Most red meats are rich in protein, and they added such components that can raise the uric acid level, and sometimes it can be dangerous for your health. According to several studies, people who eat lamb meat or other red meat suffer from gout or joint troubles more than other people who do not eat red meat most of the time. 2. Sunflower seeds. People use sunflower seeds in their food items, and they have it as a snack too. Sunflower seeds also include purine. It can increase the uric acid level in your body, so if you have sunflower seeds, you must avoid it or reduce the amount of it. 3. Soft drink or soda drink. Some uric acid foods to avoid, like soft drinks, sodas, and fruit juices with preservatives, contain a lot of sugar. And fructose is highly harmful to your health and increases your body's uric acid level. 4. Beans, peas, legumes, and lentils. Beans, peas, and legumes are vegetables rich in protein and fiber, and they are not useful for those suffering from uric acid. If you have gout-related troubles or your body makes high uric acid, then you must avoid lentils. Try to have it once or twice a month, not more than that. 5. Seafood. Most fishes contain an amount of purine. Fishes like tuna, codfish, perch, anchovies, lobster, and sardine is a significant type of fish that can enhance your body's uric acid, and regular intake can be dangerous for your health. A full plate of scallops contains more purine than a lobster or mussels. If you are having uric acid issues, then you must avoid eating scallops. 6. Organ meats. If you are a meat lover, you must know the importance of organic meats on your plate. And we also know that it won't be easy to stay away from your favorite food. It is also known as offal, which includes the liver, kidneys, brain, heart, and other organs. But you must know that organ meats contain purine, which is a compound that breaks uric acid when the human body digests it. Try to reduce the intake of chicken meat and eat thrice or twice a week. 7. Alcohol. Millions of people drink alcohol regularly without knowing that it can affect and damage their body parts. The increased uric acid level is also one of the significant reasons produced by alcohol. Brewery liquor and beer are the richest sources of purine, and now researchers have proved that people who drink beer daily face gout attacks or joint pain and inflammation, so try to avoid drinking alcohol. 8. Certain vegetables. Most vegetables and fruits are low in purines. But some vegetable food that increases uric acid, such as beans, lentils, peas, mushrooms, spinach, cauliflower, and asparagus, contain a moderately high amount. Mushrooms are a significant ingredient that has been included in most of the cuisines used all over the world. Mushrooms have different types, and you won't be pleased to know that mushrooms can also increase the uric acid in your body.